In this video, I'm going to show you how to add other people to your calendar invite, to your appointment, to your meeting. So again, you just double click, or you can click New up here in the corner. So I went to New. I can drop down the menu, New Appointment, New Meeting, New Message, or I can double click to pull up that window. Now if I wanted to invite other people, I might use this drop down menu to click Meeting Request, because then this window will have a box to send to other people. Now, if I didn't do it that way, if I just used my double click feature, I can still get to that same option. I just have to click on this calendar with a little mail piece inside of the box. And so once you click that, it will pull up all of those same options that were available when I clicked New Meeting Request. So you go ahead and you type in the people who need to attend your meeting. You can also put some optional people just so they know that they're welcome but not necessarily needed in that particular instance. The resources are all of the rooms and all of the people in all of Jeffco. So if you don't know somebody's email address, this might be a place where you go to. Otherwise, it just kind of has a lot of information in it, and you might not need to go that far. So then you would go ahead and just add your subject, just like you saw in another video. You can add the add the location. So we're in 4E for our event, and request a response to this invitation. That means that whoever is up in this too will either have to click yes, I'll be there, tentative, or no, decline it, I can't make it. So if you don't want them to respond, or you just kind of are leaving it open-ended, you would just unclick that box. And that is how you invite people to your event.